beats, Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style this beautiful headband wig in so many different ways. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. And if you've not already, please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. At the moment, I'm so in love with these headband wigs, and we're getting into the winter season. We definitely need a protective style to protect our natural hair, so this is definitely the way to go, especially this wig. I really love this wig because the length is just perfect and it looks like my natural hair. I am absolutely in love with this wig. The wig is from Wiggins hair company. I'm going to put all the information that has to do with the wig, the hairband, everything in the description box below, and it's really affordable. You have nothing to lose. It's so easy to install. You don't need the glue or whatever to get going with your day. The headband wig is absolutely the way to go at the moment, and without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so guys, I'm going to show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like. You guys can see it came with all these different colors of scarf, and it also came with this hairband and then a pack of false lashes. So right here I'm just going to open the wig for you guys to see. You are murder me. So this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see that the coils are so tight and beautiful. So I'm gonna briefly condition my hair and then just do like a very simple big cornrows on my hair. The way you want, I want you to be myself, make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only, so make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You are murder me, You are murder me, You are murder me. You are murder Once I'm done with the cornrow, I'm going to brush my hair and spray a little bit of water. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You are murder me. After applying my gel, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and then do my makeup. So now I'm done with my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. You are murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Wiggins, bad man, I see. Bulaka. So after putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and put this band on, the headband. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, and this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It actually looks like my hair. I really love this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another way to style this. I'm just going to use the different scarf that was given to me. And this is what it looks like. After that, I'm just going to put it into a lower bun. And this is the look. Very, very nice. This wig is just so versatile. You can do so many beautiful styles with it. I'm going to go ahead and tie another scarf. And then I'm going to put it in a bun, top knot bun.
So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl.
So you can actually leave it like this if you want. It actually looks very beautiful like this as well. And it looks as if it's my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around into a bun.
You are murder me. You are murder me.
As you guys can see, I really love this style. Please let me know which style is your favorite. I absolutely love this style.
So make you show them that you got it. The way that you want.
And then I'm gonna do like a low bun this time. And yes guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.